Good morning. Well, it's a cold, miserable day. Go pull her up. Cold, miserable, well not cold, but miserable wet day. There's nothing going on in the woods. Ooh. That don't sound good. No. That sounds like a wheel bearing. Pull her up a little more, Junior, in case I gotta back something else in. Junior's got issues there. Alright, well, you got a wheel bearing or? Oh, that don't sound good. That don't sound good, man.
Don't sound good at all.
No. I'll bet you it's, I don't know, that might be just a hung caliper too, though.
Did my ABS light come on? So.
Yeah, you never know. So anyway, trucks, we love them, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sucks.
So at least you got a good place to work on it anyway.
Good and dry.
Nice and dry in here. Yeah.
See, I ain't used to this.
I know. You want to?
I'm used to being out there.
Want to back her out in the mud?
Yeah.
Come on, just for old time's sake. Go back her out in the mud.
Yeah, lay out there and water around in it.
Yep. All right. Well, let's get the jack. We'll jack her up and see what ails it here, huh?
Kind of nice stuff we got going on.
All right. So, okay, everybody, we're gonna work on this. We'll keep you updated. So, ta-ta.